Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a JVC unit. The most common and reliable method is using a USB cable. Simply plug one end into your phone and the other into the JVC unit's USB port. This connection often allows for both charging and playing audio files. Many JVC systems also support direct control of your phone's music library through this wired connection. For a wireless experience, Bluetooth is an excellent option. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone and put your JVC unit into pairing mode, usually by pressing a dedicated button. Then, search for the JVC device on your phone's Bluetooth settings and select it. Once connected, you can stream audio and make hands-free calls, typically within a range of about 30 feet. If your JVC unit has an auxiliary input, this is a straightforward way to connect. You will need a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Simply plug one end into your phone's headphone jack and the other into the JVC unit's AUX port. Then, select the auxiliary source on your JVC unit to enjoy your phone's audio through the system. If you encounter issues, first ensure your JVC unit's firmware is up to date for best compatibility. Always check that your cables are not damaged and are securely connected. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your phone and the JVC unit can resolve minor connection glitches. Refer to your JVC unit's manual for specific instructions or advanced settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.